Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, mushroom fried rice, super easy version. There are very few ingredients. It tastes absolutely wonderful. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. All right then, let's take a look at this. It's really simple. Fresh mushrooms, I've sliced those, 250 grams there I've got, and equal parts in volume, not in weight obviously, of rice. Now I've got cold basmati rice. Always important when you're making fried rice to use cold rice. Very important. I've got one onion there sliced. I've got an inch or so of ginger, which I've cut into kind of nice little thick strips. I mean, I like that kind of bite in it. You can chop it much smaller if you want. And here I've got some soy. Now that's a light soy, and there's probably half a cup, quarter cup, maybe like that. We're going to start us off with some oil. We're going to add some salt and black pepper. That's it. It is super easy, this. So you're going to need a wok or a pan or something like that. I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. You could be using something else if you wanted. We're going to start off by putting in our ginger. Just for a few seconds. That ginger is really going to infuse the oil, give it a lovely flavour. And as you can hear and see, we're on a high heat. Everything's on a maximum heat. Okay, to that we're now going to add our onion. Keep it moving for 2 minutes. Very simply, let's now drop in our mushrooms, which I've sliced. Chop it if you want. A little bit of salt, not too much because we've got the soy. Black pepper, in that goes. If you wanted some fresh chili, could work in this, or some chili powder. We're going to let this go for 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving, high heat. So we've got a little bit of moisture coming out of these mushrooms now, as you can hear. We're now going to add that soy. Like I said, I'm using a light soy. And to that we're going to add our rice, cold rice. Very simply, 4 to 5 minutes, maximum heat. Keep this moving. Okay, off goes the heat. And we're done. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.